Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new demonstration for Office 365 application. In today's demonstration we're gonna talk about installing local copy for Office 2016 application. As we can see, we have the home page and we have to install now button. Let's click on it and start the installation process. As we can see, we can save or run. We have two options. Let's click on run to start the installation process. Let's click yes. As we can see, the installation process start for Office 2016 to have a local copy from my account from Office 365. As we can see, the installation process start. And we're gonna stop the video because I think it's gonna take some time. So we're gonna stop the video and we're gonna continue later on. So we're back again. As we can see, the Office installation is done. Click close, and now we already have Office locally installed. Let's go to all program to check to make sure that the Office installed. As you can see, we have Office 2016 is already installed, and we can click in to start the Word just to make sure that everything is running. And we will need to use the Office application in the following demonstration: in SharePoint, in Document Library. Also, we're gonna need to use another application like Outlook. We're gonna need it to create email account, so we can have a local copy and web copy. Also Skype for Business. So let's bin all our program to taskbar. So also we're gonna need PowerPoint. What else? What we are missing? Excel. So let's look for Excel. Let's go. OneNote also. Okay, we're gonna need it. As you can see, Excel is here. As you can see, we have no InfoPass version, because InfoPass is not supported anymore with Office 365. That will be for our demonstration today. Thank you, and see you on next demonstration.